May is Mental Health Awareness Month, so for the next few minutes, we're going to talk about something that's important but hard to discuss. The issue of suicide. Before we continue, we want you to know why we're tackling this subject. According to the CDC, the United States lost more than 47,500 people to suicide in 2019. To put that into perspective, that's nearly 2.5 times more than the number of people we lost to homicides that same year. But one local family is raising awareness about the issue in our community. Tonight, KSHB 41 News reporter Leslie Delasport introduces us to a family, their supporters, and a local brewery helping to keep the conversation going.
Talk about, a broken leg. Why can't we talk about, a mental health issue?
Kelly and Bob Speck are creating a safe space.
Spread the word, make it, break down that stigma, I think. But that's what Carl would want us to do.
And raising awareness about mental health in honor of their son, Carl.
June 23rd of 2017, we lost our son, Carl, to suicide at the age of 27. And he was, a really amazing young man.
On a mission the last few years to not only start the conversation,
besides creating awareness, but combating the stigma and then connecting resources.
To assist those dealing with mental health issues, transition back into society after receiving care, thanks to someone like Dimitri Troutwine.
From discharging from inpatient psych to outpatient psych, and I'm a bridge for therapy, crisis management, and case management services. There's going to be extra stressors. Of course, there's going to be extra, concerns or new things that come up, but that's why I'm here to help them slowly retrain their brain on how to have positive coping skills, positive thinking, versus automatically reverting back to old ways.
Now Carl's Cause, partnering with Transport Brewery and Carl's friend Evan, is creating a new way to start the conversation over a drink. The Carl's Cause 3 C's Pale Ale, which stands for creating awareness, combating stigma, and connecting resources.
So on the can you'll have, there's I think 4 different resources that you can reach out to for suicide prevention. It's on all the labels of the can, and it kind of gives you a little description about Carl as well. If someone's drinking a beer and they see that on their can, then either might someone pop in their head that they're thinking about, or maybe themselves. So it's just something to kind of put out there.
Mourning the loss of their son.
I don't know. He should be here today. He should be here. A lot of his friends are here and they support us, which we really appreciate that.
Kelly, Bob, and supporters of Carl's Cause are working hard to save more lives than one.
But I know maybe his purpose was bigger, and this is what it is. So.
In Shawnee, Kansas, Leslie Delasport, KSHB 41 News.
If you want to support this cause, you can swing by Transport Brewery in Shawnee to buy this special beer. And to learn more about Carl's Cause and other local resources for mental health, you can find a link to their website on our website, kshb.com. And a reminder, if you're seriously struggling or you know someone who is, there is always hope. You can call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. The number's on your screen right now. It is 800-273-8255. Once again, that number, 1-800-273-8255. You could also go to suicidepreventionlifeline.org.